In this video, you'll learn how to add pauses to a voiceover using ElevenLabs. This process will enable you to create more dynamic and engaging audio content by controlling the pacing of your speech synthesis. Begin by navigating to elevenlabs.io in your preferred web browser. Once the website loads, you will see the main interface with various options for text-to-speech functionality. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to prevent any loading delays. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Text-to-Speech. This will direct you to the speech synthesis section of the platform, where you can configure your voiceover settings. Wait for the page to fully load before proceeding to the next step, as this will ensure all options are available. After that, click on the model selection area. A drop-down menu will appear, displaying different voice models you can choose from. This step is crucial, as selecting the appropriate model will affect the quality and style of your generated speech. Now, choose the option labeled 11v3 Alpha. This model is designed to provide enhanced voice quality and functionality, which is beneficial for creating more natural-sounding speech. Once you select this model, wait a moment for the system to confirm your choice. Proceed by clicking on the voice selection area. A list of available voices will appear, allowing you to select your preferred voice for the voiceover. Take your time to listen to samples if available, ensuring you choose a voice that fits the tone of your project. Once you have selected a voice, type in any text you wish to use for your voiceover. Before your text, insert the notation wherever you want a pause to occur. For example, you might enter excited hello ElevenLabs to create a specific pacing in your audio. This notation is essential for customizing the delivery of your message. Finally, click on the button labeled Generate Speech. The system will process your text and pause commands, creating the audio file. Depending on the length of your text and the complexity of pauses, this may take a moment. Ensure you have sufficient storage space for the generated audio file, as larger files may take longer to save and download. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.